Goofy Sky School is only one of 2 roller coasters at California Adventure, so today we're going to take a ride on it together. I'm very nostalgic for this ride experience. I think it's very fun, even though it is just an off-the-shelf Wild Mouse. Before we get started, please like this video, please leave a comment down below, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're pushing for 10,000 subscribers, so I would greatly appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Goofy Sky School has a moving loading station, which I greatly appreciate. You're going to dispatch into a left turn straight up the lift hill. You'll pass that first wall with the theming of Goofy taking off. The whole implication of this ride experience is that you're learning to fly a plane with Goofy, so you're going to see these little instruction panels throughout the ride experience. It fits really well. I think it's really cute because obviously this was a retheme of Mulholland Madness, and I think this one is much more Disney and much more fun. So the first half of pretty much any Wild Mouse coaster ever is going to be these hairpin turns. They're very forceful, very fun. It'll throw you to the side and into whoever's riding next to you, which is pretty cool. I like that hole right there. That's a pretty cool effect. But like these turns can be a little freaky with the laterals. It feels like you're going to fly off. And then you're going to gain a good amount of speed through here. You go up this dip. These trim brakes like barely tap the train. Like it feels like you have a good amount of speed right here, and then you fly into this dive, which is pretty intimidating. It's really fun. And then here's where you'll finally slow down. So you're gonna inch forward into the last section of the ride experience. You have this like very drawn out dip, and then you rise back up. I know some of the Wild Mice are different, like the one at Carowinds has a whole airtime hill in between there. And then you're going to dip down into the final brake run. And that is your ride experience on Goofy Sky School. So it is really cute, it is really fun, and as a roller coaster and Disney fan, I greatly appreciate its existence. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, please leave a like, please subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much everybody, and I will catch you later.